Let's check out the Harman Kardon. I hope I said that right. The sound system. Right now I'm in a XC60 Ultimate. I do not own the rights to the music, but this is how you control your sound settings with the Harman Kardon speaker.